Living in South Florida presents a unique set of challenges, especially when it comes to selecting the right doors and windows for your home. Let's talk to the experts at Mr. Glass Doors and Windows Manufacturing for some great tips on how you can not only enhance the look of your home, but also protect it against the elements.
Because we're located in an area that has seen so many hurricanes in the past, South Florida has some of the most strict building codes there is. When we first started, we manufactured high-rise building products. These are tested even to way stricter codes than your regular inland product. Our homeowners are getting the same quality and the same strength as those high-rise building windows and doors for a fraction of the cost. It used to be that people would have to put up shutters or wood planks over their windows in order to keep safe when a hurricane came, but with impact windows and doors, there's no need for that. They're ready for hurricane season as soon as they're installed.
With windows and doors proudly manufactured right here in South Florida at their own facility, Mr. Glass Doors and Windows Manufacturing is uniquely positioned to provide exactly what South Floridians need.
Impact windows and doors not only save your property, but they save you and your loved one's life. It essentially keeps the wind from going into your home and damaging the roof and damaging your property. Other benefits of impact windows and doors is that they provide security to your home, they have curb appeal for your home, they're energy efficient, and provide noise reduction. Our windows and doors are tested per the Florida Building Code standards and test protocols for high velocity hurricane zone. The glass will not shatter or anything penetrate it. We design our product to meet the Florida Building Code of high-rise buildings and coastal zones, achieving a stronger product to withstand strong hurricane winds. Therefore, yes, they do surpass the Florida standard for hurricane windows. It's a heated strength laminated glass, which means it's two glasses basically glued together with a very strong film inside. That's what keeps the glass from shattering and going into your home.
There is a misconception that impact windows and doors are too expensive, but that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, homeowners can't afford to not have these types of windows.
When people mention that impact windows are too expensive, I tell them that the initial cost is nothing compared to the long-term investment that you make on your property. Not only do you save on energy, but your homeowner's insurance will go down about 25%. We also have programs like my PACE program, like my Safe Home program, that they give you grants, they give you loans so that you can go ahead and protect your home.
Mr. Glass Doors and Windows uses only the best materials in the fabrication of their products. There are a wide variety of high-quality options to choose from.
Here at Mr. Glass Doors and Windows, we have many options available, from the horizontal roller window, which goes side to side. We have the single hole window that goes up and down. We have a casement window. We have a picture window, which is very, very popular now in demand because it's a stationary window. It does not move. But if you do a big enough window, it gives a full view to your home. We have French doors, sliding glass doors. We have a new pivot door, which is beautiful. For all those products, we have glass options. We have energy efficient glass, which has a little green tint to it. We have gray tint, bronze tint. We also provide many frame color options. We can do black, we can do wood grain, we can do white, we can do bronze. And if you need a specific color that you have in mind, we could also do that.
Proper maintenance is essential to ensuring the longevity and performance of your doors and windows.
In order to maintain your windows, mild soap and water will clean your windows. And for the moving parts, silicone-based lubricant, that would be best. I urge the consumer to not go one more hurricane season without impact windows and doors. You will not regret the decision of protecting your home and protecting the lives of those you love.
To find out more about Mr. Glass Doors and Windows Manufacturing, visit MrGlassWindows.com. And of course, visit our website at designingspaces.tv.